is numbers in order. 1. The heading is write the following numbers in ascending order. Here we are given numbers in 3 sets and we have to write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller number to bigger number. We have to identify the smaller number first and write the smaller number and then the greater number. Smaller number to greater number is the ascending order. Now A. Here the numbers given are all 2-digit numbers. So first we have to compare the number in tens place. Ones place, 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 tens place. So all the numbers in tens place we have to compare. Here 8, 4, 6, 3, 5. So among all these numbers 3 is the smaller number. So 37 is the smaller number. We will write here first 37. Then the other numbers left 8, 4, 6, 5. So among these numbers 4 is the smaller number. So next we will write the 42. Then the remaining numbers 8, 6, 5. So among these 3 numbers 5 is the smaller number. So we will write the 54 here. Then the 2 numbers left are 83 and 61. We will compare the number in tens place 8 and 6. So among 8 and 6, 6 is the smaller number, means 61 is the smaller number than 83. Then we will write 61. The only remaining number here is 83. Now this is the greatest number of all the numbers. So in the given numbers 37 is the smaller number, so we have written. Then we have written 42, 54, 61, 83 and here the 83 is the greater number of all these numbers. Next coming to B. Here in these numbers all are 2-digit numbers, so we will compare the number in tens place. Here we have 3, here 9, 8, 7, 4. These are the tens place digits. Ones, tens. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. So the digits here are 3, 9, 8, 7, 4. Among these the 3 is the smallest number. It means 39 is the smallest number in these numbers. So we will write here 39. And the remaining numbers are here 4, 7, 8, 9. So among these numbers 4 is the smallest number. It means 47 is the next number. We will write here 47. The remaining are 74, 89, 98. So 7, 8 and 9. So among these 3, 7 is the smallest number. It means 74 is the smallest of these 3. So we will write here 74. The remaining are here both these numbers 89 and 98. The tens place numbers are 9 and 8. So 8 is smaller than 9. So 89 is smaller than 98. So we will write here 89. Then the remaining number 98. So this is the ascending order for these numbers. 39 is the smallest number and the greatest number is 98. Smaller number to greater number, ascending order. Now the C bit, here we have all 2-digit numbers. So the ones place, this is the tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place and tens place. So all the tens place digits we have to compare now. 7, 5, 2, 4, 9. So here 2 is the smallest of all. So 24 is the smallest of all these numbers. We will write first 24 as the smallest number. Then the remaining are 9, 4, 5, 7. So among these 4 is the smallest number. So we will write the 43 as the next number. Then the remaining numbers are 96, 59, 71. So 9, 5 and 7. These three numbers we have to compare. So 5 is the smallest of all these three. So 59 is the smallest of all. Now the remaining numbers are 96 and 71. Among these two, 7 and 9 we have to compare the digits in tens place. 7 is smaller than 9. So we have to write 71. 71 is smaller than 96. So we have written 71 and the remaining number here is 96. 96 is the greatest number. 24 is the smallest number. 96 is the greatest number. 24, 96. Smaller number, greater number. Smaller number to greater number is the ascending order. So this is about ascending order. Writing the numbers in smaller to greater number order is ascending order. Now this is the first bit we have done. We will go for the second bit. Now we will do the second bit in numbers in order. What is the heading for the second bit? Let's read the heading. Write the following numbers in descending order. So here we are given 3 set of numbers and we have to write these numbers in descending order. Descending order means writing the bigger number to smaller number. Bigger number to smaller number is descending order. For example, in the first bit A we have these numbers. First we have to identify the greater number among these and then we have to write the greater number. Then identify the next greater number and write the number. So in this way we can write the greater number first and then the smaller number at the end. Now all these are 2-digit numbers. If all are 2-digit numbers, we have to compare the digit in the tens place of all the digits. This is ones place, tens place. Ones, tens. Ones place, tens place. Ones, tens. Ones place, tens place. So we will compare the numbers in tens place. Here 4, 7, 8, 6, 3. So among these digits the greater number here is 8. So 85 is the greater number. We will write here 85. Then the remaining we will compare. We have 4, 7, 6 and 3. So among these remaining numbers 7 is the greater number. So 74 is the greater number. We will write 74. Now the next we have here 4, 6 and 3. So among these numbers 6 is the greater number. So 69 is the greater number. We will write here 69. Then the remaining are 43 and 31. The number in tens place is here 4 and 3. 4 is greater than 3. So 43 is greater than 31. So we will write here 43. And the least remaining number is the 31. That means that is the last number because it is the smallest of all these numbers. So in these given numbers 85 is the greater number, 31 is the smallest number. So writing from greater to smaller number is the descending order. Now in B we have all 2-digit numbers. We will compare the digit in tens place. This is the tens place. This is ones place. This is tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. So if we compare all the numbers in tens place, 2, 3, 9, 6, 7, 9 is the greater one. So 90 is the greater number. We will write here 90. Then the remaining numbers are here 2, 3, 6, 7. So of all these 4 numbers 7 is the greater number. So 70 is the greater number. We will write 70. Then the remaining are 6, 3, 2. So 6 is greater than 3 and 2. So we will write 60. The remaining are 30 and 20. So we will compare the 3 and 2. 3 is greater than 2. So 30 is greater than 20. We will write here 30. Then the remaining number is the last number 20. This is the smallest of all numbers. 90 is the biggest number. 20 is the smallest number. Writing bigger to smaller number is descending order. Now C. In C bit we have 4 2-digit numbers and 1 1-digit number. So first we will do the 2-digit numbers because 2-digit numbers are greater than the 1-digit number. So among these numbers we will compare the tens place digits. Here 3, 1, 7 and 6 are the digits in tens place. So among these numbers 7 is the greater number. So 73 is the greater number. We will write here 73. Next numbers remaining are 6, 1 and 3. So 6 is the greater number than 1 and 3. So we will write 67. Now what are the remaining numbers? 17, 33, 5. First we have to compare these two. 3 and 1. 3 is greater. So we will write 33. Then we have the number 17. We will write 17. So these are the 2-digit numbers. And the 1-digit number is the smallest of all. So we will write here last number 5 because it is the smallest of all. So this is the descending order for these numbers. Greater number to smaller number is descending order. With this we completed the second bit under numbers in order. Now we will go for the next topic in the chapter numbers in 2 digit.